Welcome back to the Fix Your Apps channel. Today we will show you how to stop unwanted apps from automatically downloading on Android so you can stay in control of your device and save data and storage. Now let's get started. Step 1. Unlock your phone and open the Google Play Store app. This is the official app store for Android where apps are downloaded and updated, and make sure you are logged into your Google account. Step 2. Once the Play Store opens, tap on your profile icon at the top right corner of the screen. This icon opens the main menu. From there, choose the settings option to access controls related to downloads and updates. Step 3. Inside the settings menu, scroll down until you find network preferences. This section controls how apps use internet data, and it is important because auto downloads depend on these network rules. Step 4. In network preferences, tap on the auto update apps option. You will see a few choices here. Now select Don't Auto Update Apps. This stops apps from downloading or updating automatically in the background. Step 5. Alternatively, swipe down from the top of your screen to open the quick panel. Tap the gear icon to open system settings. Then scroll down and open the About Phone menu. This section contains device and software details. Step 6. From this menu, tap on Software Information. Locate the Build Number option. Then tap it 7 times. Verify with your password or lock, and this will automatically enable developer options on your phone. Step 7. Go back to the main settings page, scroll down and open developer options, then scroll until you find the auto update system. Disable this option to prevent system-driven app downloads, and boom, you have successfully stopped unwanted apps from automatically downloading on Android. Thanks for watching Fix Your Apps. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more helpful Android tips and fixes.